Morning, guys. I'm running a little bit late this morning. Just took like half an hour to get home from the gym. Okay. Let's just go straight into the charts. I'm loving this price action right here on the ES and on the NQ. Looks like we have a very clear range. Let's start with the ES. Okay, so low volume node right here. We're going to call this one support. Low volume node. Where is there another one? On on the, all right, we've got one right here on the weekly and yesterday, as well as the overnight low. And we have another one right here, low-ish volume node. That's where price is coming out. There is a low volume node way down here. We're going to put another one up, right up here. We're going to mark this one red. Where's our weekly high, weekly low, previous day open, no, previous day high, previous day low. Previous day low. Previous daily high. Okay. Now, all of my drawings over here, we are going to I don't think there is any. So let's go drawing tools, copy all, and let's paste them inside here. Yes. Now let's move over to the MNQ. Previous daily low. Let's check out some of our low volume nodes. We've got like a low volume node range. Yeah, check that out. So this is actually a range right here. And let's make this like a little box. Do a little box. So I did clear the wrong one. Okay, here we go. So where are my very obvious low volume nodes? Right here. Another one from yesterday right here. I'm cross-referencing this throughout the week as well. We have one right here, and I'm going to mark this one out as like a zone as well. And it's a weak one right there, but it is a volume node nevertheless. And that's also previous daily high. Yeah, there's a little bit of a range right there. Okay. All right, market opens in 2 minutes. And the market's open, guys. All right, let's go back over here real quick and let's see what in the hell is happening with NQ and ES. Okay, so we got a big push up. Yeah, we got some pretty good positive volume. All right, let's see if it comes back down here to my EMA, and if it does, then I enter. Real quick, before I do anything else, let's go back over here into my settings. And we're doing the same thing. And we're setting our risk settings for the day. Buy orders just keep coming in, baby. Okay, look at this. Right here at 389. There's liquidity just got taken off at 389. Where is the liquidity hanging out? We've got a wall at 7,600. Looks like client price is going to still climb up to that though. I like that right there as a long. Let's come back to my EMA. Let's buy one in.
Order filled.
We got positive gamma on the ES and on the NQ. Got 50-50. Still got some big orders coming in, but it's like 50-50. Like I said, there's a big block over here on the ES. All right, this was, again, strategy number one. Came down, hit the EMA. We had a big push past that opening range. It's finding some support here. Liquidity at 37 at 33.70. Is it going to hold? ES is looking bullish, but barely. NQ, same thing. We have the most. Okay. Looks like something just changed over here, and we have 70 at 76, 75.99, 76.14. We have a lot of buys coming in, and the equities market something just popped over here below price, significantly below price. All right, that 7,600 number is the number to beat. 7,600, 7,600. Can I get 7,600? And let's see, where is my big number over here on the NQ? I mean, we're in all-time highs right now in the NQ, so I just got to get to 76. We're looking bullish. It's a big wall up here at 79 or 75.99. If you can rip through that, great. Otherwise, it's going to tank down. And as a little fail safe, you know what, guys? I'm going to take my stop up right now to 0. Actually, I can take my stop right. I might take it to -20. Yeah, right now is a good time to take it to 0. I'm at 103, you guys. I think at 150, I think that's a good number to cut out at. We've got some major positive. Gamma says it's at 37.87. However, at 622, it's all the way up there too. Oh, good news. No, it's still the same thing. Still has not broken above 5,600. We are like right there at the cusp. There's a lot of sellers up there. Are they reloading? Let's see. Big wall of 350 sellers. What are the buyers doing? We have a lot of buy pressure coming up. Buy pressure starting to stall over here on the NQ. 450 is that wall. What should I target here? Here we go. It's like we still have lots of delta, lots of positive delta coming in. Oh, look at that. Okay, so, I mean, we're right at the freaking door. 340, 339. Yeah, but they're not budging. They're testing it. They're testing it. Look at that. Big volume coming up there. They're trying to push through. 522 orders, 500 orders, 500, so 1,500 orders, almost 2,000 orders coming in to be able to break through that wall, and they sure shit did. They fucking did it. Okay. The question is now, are they going to hold? We just had a lot of buy pressure come through. Are they going to hold? Looks like they want to. And is the NQ going to follow suit? Looks like they also broke through that liquidity at 451. Pressure still building up top. Next big volume node they're going to hit is 604, followed by 615. Sellers or buyers are starting to lose interest over here in the NQ, it appears like. If this goes down, I'm going to move my stop up. If this trails down to the EMA. Because we're going to have some more juice that pushes up. If it pushes up here, then that's it. We're done skis. But it all depends on what it wants to do. We got a load of buyers coming in up there. That's 7,600 level. Is it possible that it comes down to 7,600? Absolutely. And if it does, we're looking at continuation up to 615. Or in the NQ over here at 537. So we had a little small, about 60% negative delta, some big orders coming in at that point though, but not enough to be able to push it all the way down. All right, so check that out. It did come down to my VWAP or that, and so I'm going to push price. I'm going to push it up there to what? So 537 is where the highest gamma is.
Order filled.
I should have taken it up, but that's okay. Let's just see if I got 10 large and then bought it in the market.
Order filled.
Where it would have gone if I brought it up to 500. Should have been another $70, which would have been nice. But, well, another $100 actually. $80. $80. Oh, but I'm not greedy. Okay, let's review that trade real quick. Win or lose, it doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter to me. At this point, I just want to be zen about the whole thing. Just woosah, woosah. I've got to accept loss when it comes. Because it does. I can watch price fart around for a little bit this morning in my practice account. But take profit and just be okay. Not going any or doing anything else. Again, check this out. We're targeting gamma. That's what we're doing. We're not trading blind. We are trading with gamma. We're trading volume and gamma. It's a mix of both. So what happened right here? At 6:30, we saw market open, and it pushed really hard. Lots and lots and lots of buy volume coming in right past this opening range. Just smashed right past it. Came down here once, popped back up, all the way up to here. I mean, came up to 416, and then it came down, it came down, it came down, all the way down to 380. This is where I entered, guys. Right there in the EMA. This is the first strategy that I have. Does it always work? Absolutely not. However, today it did. and there was a little bit of a confluence here. ES just kept going up, and so I figured it was bullish, and it would continue to be bullish. And again, you guys, it doesn't always happen this way. So in this case, it did, and it came up here and smashed my profit target, which was up here. Which is what, 75 points. Yeah, not bad. Not a bad trade for today. Let's write down our let's write down what we did, and then we call it a day. So I'm hoping to get this closer to 2, but sometime, I mean, I don't think it will be because part of my risk management is that I will always revert back to moving my stop loss to a 0 trade or like a $2 trade. So check this out. One thing to note here is that's 3,500. Where's 370? You know what? Why can't we get these gamma levels to be higher? Make them stand out a little bit more. some cool features over here with GexBot. Oh, check that out. It did break 500. It's about to hit that zero gamma level. Why is it saying the zero gamma is up there, though? It's interesting to me. Zero, I mean, that would imply that we are underneath it. Oops. Yeah, it just keeps going higher. Look at that. It sucked right up there to 537, guys. Not bad. Wow, it just keeps on going. All right, let's do this quick. $382. Let's see. Single trade today. Price was in a fixed range in the overnight. When the market opened, price shot through the range with lots of momentum. ES was bullish while price came down in the NQ all the way to the SMA. That's where I bought a market order and targeted 75 points. Could have been more aggressive when price retraced again, but did not. Happy that I followed the strategy. Okay, guys, that's it. Good day.